Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing 6-7 in the number lore style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the center at the top, and let's draw a line down on an angle. Then from the bottom, let's curve it up and down on the left side. And the same thing on top. Now before we continue the shape of the body, underneath let's draw the eyes. Let's start underneath the inside line and let's draw a curve across on an angle. Then let's bring it down from both ends. And another curve along the bottom to form a rectangle shape. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw another curve across near the top. And then underneath, let's draw a line down and another one on the right. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's color the pupil in black. Now before we draw the other eye, let's continue the shape of the body. Let's start on the left and let's continue the line down, curving it over to the right and back up to the eye. Now in the center, on top, let's draw the other eye behind. Let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then let's add a curve across inside at the top. Now 2 lines down underneath. And close it off at the bottom. And let's color this pupil in black as well. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down inside the bottom and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve up. And another curve up underneath like this. Now inside the mouth, let's draw 2 lines down for the teeth. And that's it for the number 6. Now let's hop over and let's draw 7 on the right side. Let's start at the top and let's draw a line down. Then from the top, let's draw a long line out to the right side. And a shorter one from the bottom. Now from the end of each of these lines, let's angle it back down and over to the left. And then close it off with a line across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop to the top and draw the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up. And then let's bring it up and over to the right side. Now let's hop back down and let's draw another angle up underneath. And close it off at the end. Now we're going to draw the other eye behind it on the left. Let's start on the top and let's draw a curve up. Bring it down. And back in. And then inside at the bottom here, another small angle. Now let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a curve across near the top. And then inside each one, we're going to draw a rectangle shape. And color each of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Lastly, let's hop underneath and draw the teeth. Underneath the top part of the 7, let's draw an angled line down and bring it across. And then let's draw a zigzag line inside. And that's it for 6-7. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!